Hey, it's Tony again with Type 5 Reviews, and if you haven't had any fried turkey for Thanksgiving yet, I'm about to change your life. Now, I've been using this smaller indoor electric turkey fryer from Masterbuilt for the last 5 years, which can handle up to a 14-pound turkey, but since the parties keep getting bigger each year, I thought now would be a great time to upgrade to this extra large version that can cook turkeys up to 20 pounds. So stick around while I set this up, and I'll show you exactly step by step what you need to do to make some of the best turkey you've ever had. But before we begin, just remember that your turkey must be completely thawed before frying. It can take about 4 to 5 days to completely thaw a frozen turkey in your fridge, but if you're short on time, it is possible to thaw it in a pot of cold water the night before. To get the fryer ready for the turkey, you'll need to start by adding about 2.5 gallons of oil. Peanut oil is often the oil of choice for deep frying a turkey, but if you have any guests with peanut allergies, feel free to substitute it with standard vegetable oil. Now, while this fryer is perfectly safe to use indoors, I actually prefer to use it out in the garage where I won't have to worry about any guests running into it. Just keep in mind that the included magnetic power cord is rather short and it needs to be plugged directly into an outlet without an extension cord. Once it's filled with oil, you'll want to set the fryer to its maximum temperature of 375 degrees. It'll take about 45 minutes for the oil to preheat, which is just enough time to prepare the turkey while you're waiting on that green light. To prepare the turkey, you'll need to start by removing the neck and giblets packed away in the body cavity and the plastic pop-up timer if yours came with one. Rinse the turkey off with cold water and make sure to check again that it's completely thawed out. Since we're frying the turkey, I usually use a pair of kitchen shears to separate the legs from the breast to allow for more room for the oil to flow around and drain properly once it's removed. Once it's out of the sink, use some paper towel to dry it off as much as you can before moving on to marinating it. My favorite is this Creole butter injectable marinade. It does a great job of keeping the turkey juicy without overpowering the natural flavors. You can also top it off with your favorite turkey rub. I'll leave links in the description below for those interested in what I'm using. Once your turkey's seasoned, you'll want to coat the inside of the fryer basket with non-stick cooking spray to keep the turkey from sticking. Then carefully transfer the turkey to the frying basket before heading out to the fryer. With the oil preheated, take about a minute to lower the turkey very slowly into the fryer. Then set a timer to 3.5 minutes for every pound that your turkey weighs. This turkey here weighed 14.5 pounds, so I initially set a timer for 51 minutes before coming back to check on it. To check if it's done, hang the basket on the side of the fryer and use a meat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. If necessary, fry at extra 5-minute intervals until you hit the proper temp. Finally, carefully lift the basket out of the fryer, making sure to drain as much excess oil out of the turkey as you can. Once it's out of the fryer, you'll need to let it rest for about 20 minutes. I like to wrap mine in aluminum foil while it's resting to keep it nice and warm. Now would be a great time to throw those last-minute rolls into the oven so they can finish just in time for the turkey carving. When it's done resting, I use a pair of tongs to transfer the turkey carefully onto a separate tray. At this point, all that's left to do is use your favorite carving method to cut out some of the best turkey you'll ever have. And hey, if you found this video helpful, feel free to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips in the future. Well, that'll do it for this video. Hopefully, I'll see you all again on the next one.
This is good.
It's like juicy.
All
it's
buttery.
really good.
All
It
buttery.
tastes like a turkey.
Juicy,
It looks
salty.
tastes like a zebra.
Perfect.
It's really good.